With Maptitude Online, you can upload and map Excel or CSV data. Desktop Maptitude is not required to geocode and perform some analysis with Maptitude Online. Once you have logged into your Maptitude Online account, click the Create Map tab to get started. You can manually enter or copy and paste data directly into the spreadsheet, drag and drop your data file to upload it, or click the link to browse for a file to upload. Click Next to start Create a Map Wizard. Verify that Maptitude Online has found the correct fields for mapping and click Next. There are two types of maps that you can create from your data. You can locate your data as points on a map, or you can aggregate it to area boundaries. First, let's show the customer data as points on the map. I want to locate the customers with as much precision as possible, so I'm going to choose this top option. Maptitude Online will try to locate all of the data by address, and for any that it cannot locate by address, it will do its best to find a good approximate location. Next, you have the option to create a theme using one of the fields in the data. For example, you could show the symbols with different colors, symbols, or sizes. I'm going to choose the size theme option and the sales field so that the customers with higher sales will be larger than those with lower sales. Here, you could choose to build buffers around each of the records to visualize the areas around a feature, build straight line areas of influence to see the areas closest to each feature, or find a weighted center for the features. I just want to see where the customers are located, so I will leave it at None and click Next. Enter a name for the map, and finally click Finish. Maptitude Online creates a map with a point icon at each customer's location and adds a card for the map. Click on the card to open the map and see exactly where each customer is located and how high their sales are. Click on any customer to see the name, address, and sales data for that customer. You can see that this customer, shown with a small dot, has low sales, and this customer has much higher sales. Now let's make the second kind of map where we aggregate the customer data so that we can see how the sales vary among zip codes. Again, I'll click the Create Map tab, but this time choose the Show Zip Code Boundaries with Your Data Attached option. Choose what type of theme to use to illustrate the data. Let's choose a color theme option, and choose the Sales field to see the total sales by zip code. Click Next, and again enter a name for the map. And finally, click Finish. Maptitude Online creates a map with a color theme illustrating the total sales in each zip code and adds a card for the map. Again, click the card to open the map and see how the sales compare among the zip codes. I will expand the legend, and you can see that zip codes with higher sales are shown in darker colors and zip codes with lower sales are shown in lighter colors. Click on any zip code to see all of the aggregate data for the zip code. For example, here you can see that there are 17 customers in this zip code. They account for just over $30,000 in total sales, with an average of $1,800 per customer. And that wraps up this video on creating maps with Maptitude Online.